Hello friends, welcome to Cheeky Updates. We are starting a new series discussing the most important previous year questions in RRB exams with their related facts. This video series will be very helpful if you are preparing for upcoming RRB exams. Today we will discuss the previous year questions related with cell and tissues. So friends, once again welcome to Cheeky Updates and we are moving to the video. Let's move on to the first question. The smallest unit of life capable of independent existence. Option C, cell. So friends, a cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Moving to the second question. Who coined the term cell? Option A, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke is the first person to coin the term cell in 1665. The word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means small room. The cell theory was proposed by. Option number D is the correct answer. The cell theory was proposed by M.J. Sleeden and Theodore Schwann in 1839. Moving to the next question. To which of the following organisms the cell theory proposed by M.J. Sleeden and Theodore Schwann is not applicable? Option C, virus. So, the cell theory proposed by M.J. Sleeden and Theodore Schwann is not applicable to virus. Moving to the fifth question. Which of the following is called the powerhouse of the cell? Option B, mitochondria. The gel-like substance between the nucleus and cell membrane is called. Option C, cytoplasm. Which cell is known as master cell? Option D, nucleus. So friends, nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. The nucleus is also known as master cell in a cell. Which is the largest cell organelle present in a cell? Option C, nucleus. So friends, the nucleus is the master cell and the largest cell organelle in a cell. Moving to the ninth question. Ribosomes make. Option number B, proteins is the correct answer. In a cell, the protein synthesis is done by ribosomes. Next question is, who coined the term protoplasm? Option C, Johann Evangelist Purkinje. Which of the following is a membrane-bound sac filled with digestive enzymes? Option C, lysosomes. Lysosome is the cell organelle which is filled with digestive enzymes. Which cell organelle is called as suicidal bags? Option C, lysosomes. Moving to the next question. Where are the waste products are stored in a plant cell? Option D, vacuoles. So friends, the vacuoles are responsible for storing waste products within a plant cell. Which molecule is known as the energy currency in a cell? Option C, ATP. ATP is the energy currency in a cell and ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. We have our 15th question. Which type of cell division occurs to repair the injuries to body? Option A, mitosis is the correct answer. In a cell, there are two types of cell divisions, that is mitosis and meiosis. The mitosis cell division occurs in somatic cells or growth cells and meiosis in reproductive cells. Which of the following organelles present in a plant cell only? Option B. Plastids. The plastids can be seen only in a plant cell. Moving to the next question. Which of the following stores starch, protein and oil granules in a plant cell? Option C. Leucoplast. Name the pigment which gives green color to plants. Option C. Chlorophyll. So friends, chlorophyll gives green color to plants. Next question. Chlorophyll contains which of the following element? Option C. Magnesium. Which of the following organelle is found in plant cell, not in an animal cell? Option number A. Chloroplast is the correct answer. We have the next question. The study of tissues are called. Option B. Histology. So friends, study of tissues are called histology. Cytology is the study of cells and histology is the study of tissues. Then we have mycology, it is the study of fungi. And finally, study of algae is called phycology. The tissues which stores fat are called. They are adipose tissues. So, adipose tissue stores fat in an organism. Next question is, bone is an example of which tissue? Option D. Connective tissues. So, bone is an example of connective tissues. Which of the following tissues are found below skin and in between internal organs? Option C. Epithelial tissue. Moving to the final question of our session. Which of the tissues help in tissue repair? Option A. Areolar tissues. So friends, areolar tissues helps in tissue repair. That was the end of our session. Hope you guys studied the topic. For more GK updates, please subscribe the channel, keep supporting us, and once again, thank you.